Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we are going to solve this question: x power 1 over 3 equals to square root of 3x, and we are supposed to find the value of x. Can you solve this one? Solution: and here we have given x power 1 over 3 is equal to square root of 3 power x. Okay, then what I have to do is this one. We shall say x power 1 over 3 is equal to, I have to separate this one inside in this root to say square root of x times square root of 3. Okay, and here this is equal to x power 1 over 3, which equals to, this square root of x can be written as x power 1 over 2 times square root of 3. And we shall divide this x power 1 over 2 and divide right here x power 1 over 2. This one is simplified to get here x power 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 equals to square root of 3. Then x, here I have to find the common denominator, which is equal to 6, and we have to say this is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to square root of 3. Then x power negative 1 over 6 is equal to square root of 3. And here we have to find the power of this 3 we have right here, which is x power negative 1 over 6 is equal to 3 power 1 over 2. Here we have to multiply negative 6 and multiply negative 6 again. Okay, to mean that here we shall say x power negative 6 times negative 1 times negative 6 is equal to 6 over 6 is equal to 3 power negative 6 over 2. So this is x only is equal to here 3 power negative 3. To mean that here x is equal to 1 over 3 power 3. Then x is equal to 1 over 27 as value of x. But we have to check if our answer is correct. We have given x power 1 over 3, which is equal to square root of 3x. So that here, this is what we have right here. We have, when you say power 1 over 3, this is cubic root here of 1 over 27, which is equal to square root of 3 times 1 over 27. Of course, cubic root of 1 over 27 is equal to 1 over 3. Whereas here, we have square root of 1 over 9. Of course, 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, so that our value is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.